On this World Fencing Day, under the theme Fencing Mind and Motion, we celebrate how fencing not only strengthens the body, but also protects, sharpens, and develops the brain. It is a sport that builds minds as much as champions, fencing in the brain, fencers entering, preparing on piste. Voiceover: fencing is not just a sport of blades, it is a dialogue between the body and the brain. Every bout is a lesson in how the mind and motion work together. Footwork drills, athletes moving back and forth, precise steps. Brain link, cerebellum and motor cortex. Voiceover: footwork activates the motor cortex, which directs movement, and the cerebellum, which fine-tunes balance and timing. Each step builds neural precision, attacks and parries. Quick lunges, blade contacts, defensive actions. Brain link, prefrontal cortex, decision-making. Voiceover: in every attack and parry, the prefrontal cortex evaluates choices in milliseconds. Attack or defend, advance or retreat. This sharpens strategic thinking, reaction exchanges, fast close actions, counterattacks. Brain link, basal ganglia and reflex circuits. Voiceover: reaction speed relies on the brain's basal ganglia and reflex circuits. Fencers learn to recognize subtle cues and respond instantly, training the brain to process faster. Focus moments before action. Fencers pause, concentrate, mask close-ups. Brain link, prefrontal cortex and amygdala, focus and emotion. Voiceover: in stillness, the brain fights distraction. The prefrontal cortex holds focus, while regulation of the amygdala keeps fear and stress under control. Fencing builds mental resilience, continuous training and repetition, repetitive drills, coordination, group practice. Brain link, neuroplasticity. Voiceover: repetition strengthens neural pathways. With every drill, fencing rewires the brain, improving memory, coordination, and adaptability. Team and coaching moments. Coach guiding, athletes listening. Brain link, mirror neurons and learning systems. Voiceover: through guidance and observation, the brain's mirror neurons activate, allowing athletes to learn faster by watching and imitating. Fencing unites teaching and brain growth. Competitive dual highlight, high-intensity bout, audience watching. Brain link, whole brain integration. Voiceover: here the entire brain is at work. Motor control, decision. Fencing is a unique sport that supports children's physical and cognitive development. Through footwork and fast movements, the motor cortex and cerebellum are activated, improving balance, timing, and precision. Every attack and parry engages the prefrontal cortex, helping children make quick, strategic decisions. Fast reaction drills strengthen the basal ganglia and reflex circuits, training the brain to process cues instantly. Pausing before action enhances focus through the prefrontal cortex and regulates fear or stress via the amygdala. Building mental resilience. Repetitive practice boosts neuroplasticity, improving memory, coordination, and adaptability. Learning from coaches and peers activates mirror neurons, allowing children to absorb skills faster. During competitive bouts, the whole brain, decision-making, focus, motor control, and emotional regulation works together.